Yo, what's good YouTube? It's boy KingSupreme back with that video. So we got Trueno, Feel Me, this official video. Now if you're new to the channel, I appreciate you for tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe with me and also get that post notification bell so you never miss another video. And if you're a return subscriber and you've watched my videos before, I appreciate you so much for tuning back in. And I just appreciate you guys so much heavily. But we got Trueno, Feel Me. Now I read to his song Dance Crib not too long ago. Y'all was messing with that heavy on. Y'all said I should react to Feel Me as well from him. But that Dance Crib song, that shit was fucking tough, bro. That shit was tough as fuck, bro. The vibes it gave me, but very good energy. It was all around a very good song. So I want to react to Feel Me because y'all said I should react to it as well. So just keep us down below any other songs you want me to react to next in the comments so I can get to that shit. But we got this one right here. Side to shit how it's gonna sound. Feel Me.
On the top floor.
Like, this dude got some talent on him, bro. I'm telling y'all.
Flying up your love, are you feel me? Baby, 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 baby. Yo, mama raised a champion.
Okay.
Tu besos son mi premio. Baby, 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 baby.
Look at let's see the stars and shit in the back.
Gracias mamá, estamos bien. El barrio reclama my name. Baby, what you gonna say? Only you play safe. Only you y yo. Let me write my name.
This dude is
okay. Seguimos apuntando a la cima y llega.
I'm liking how this beat sound and so forth. I'm liking, bruh. These visuals looking crazy so far, bruh, and shit. And his voice, bruh, is just so funny. Like his voice just sounds fire.
Let me write my pain. Dejo que caiga la rain. Seguimos apuntando a la cima, llegamos, my hijo te lo prometió. Me saco un pasado, tengo cagada en la espalda, solita babó. Fast life, my bro. Llori, llori, vámonos. Dejemos los malos momentos de lado, sellemos los tiempos pasados que tengo más.
Go stupid, man. Yo,
the top floor.
Here we go. His flow be crazy with it too, bro. Like,
flying up your love, are you feel me? Baby, 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 baby.
Like this dude be going crazy with it.
Vagando, ando buscándote en la calle, que ya no queda ni para atrás. Solo palabras de mi paladar. Dicen que van a venir a buscar, pues vengan. Todo el grito está llamando. Y tú vayas a house for my mom. Y ahora dónde está,
bro, this dude is too fire.
Estoy listo para el próximo round. De bajo para el bajo del town. Mami, yo estoy elevado. Como Maidana los dejo nocaut.
Yo, I mean, y'all saying, bro, hey, bro, keep on listening to his songs, bro. He's crazy, bro. But like, shit, bro, I'm only listening. This is only my second song I'm listening to by this dude, bro. And he's like in a whole another language. But I'm still fucking with this shit heavily, dog. Like this shit is some heat, dog. Like this dude got some hitters, some bangers on him, bro. Like this shit crazy.
Mami, yo estoy elevado, como Maidana los dejo nocaut. What the fuck are you talking about?
I miss you, todo lo que estoy viendo es un sueño, it's crazy. No te estoy trayendo la luna, are you feel me?
Me quedan más palabras por escribir.
Okay, switch it up a little bit.
Puedes mirar, baby, te me investigar.
Yeah.
Lo vemos flotando en Argentina. Sin terminar,
man, this shit is just hard.
Vas a ser mi llave. Me quedan más palabras por escribir.
Yeah.
Puedes mirar, baby, te me investigar. Lo vemos flotando
Vibes,
en
bro.
Argentina. Sin terminar, baby, vas a ser mi llave.
Oh my gosh. Bro, who be producing this shit? Another banger, bro. I'm loving the visuals. These videos always seem to have a meaning behind them, I can already tell, bro. I respect that. That shit was hard. That shit was hard as fuck, bro. Sheesh. A lot of people, a lot of lag went into that video, I could tell. But shit, bro. Shit was fucking tough as fuck, bro.
Begin with us.
That dude be spazzing on shit, bro. Damn. Another one, bro. I'm saying another one. This dude is not disappointing me so far. I'm really liking how he's sounding. His voice, the flow for sure, bro. And just the overall feeling to the songs is really giving me a good vibe. And This shit is just tough, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But let me know what other songs about Trueno you want me to react to in the comments. Keep on spamming below in the comments for react to next. Just keep on flooding the comments. I'm gonna react to really posting more frequently. So I need as many reaction ideas as I possibly can. So keep on letting me know because these songs sound really powerful. Most definitely. That's the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you want to see more videos. Instagram on the bottom of that screen, also in the description. If you want to hit me up, DM me, message me, do all that shit. So I'll keep on spending this video for y'all. Appreciate y'all so much for watching. It's your boy King Supreme. We are, baby.